Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Living Life, a Life You. I am your host, Dr. Veronica Garcia, and today I am joined by yet another beautiful, amazing student at Life University, Miss Williams, Suneah Williams. How are you? Welcome.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm so good. Thank you for asking. Suneah, tell me a little bit about you. Where are you from? How did you get to Life University? Where are you at in the programs?
I'm actually from Powder Springs, Georgia, which is like
right around the corner.
Yeah, like 30 minutes away drive. I grew up in Cobb County my whole life. I've lived here since I was 4, I believe. I'm in third quarter in the business program, and I think Life emailed me. I'm pretty sure that's how I found out about Life University.
Wow. So you probably went to a fair, shared your email, and kind of what sparked about Life University to come here?
I actually toured another university, and it was known for like its business program. I didn't really like this school, and I had an offer to come here, so I was like, okay, let me tour that school first before I make my decision.
Right.
And I came here and I loved it.
Yeah.
Because I like nature a lot, and so when they took us on the tour, I saw like the creek and everything, and it was just so beautiful. And when I was talking to my mom, I was like, it just felt like I was supposed to be there.
Oh, that's a great feeling to have when making a decision like that. I'm very prideful of our campus because it is such a beautiful space. And I always tell, like, for our online students, take the opportunity to come to campus and just look what it is and who it is. Yeah. So tell me, you mentioned the creek. We do have a beautiful creek. We have walking trail on campus. We have a few buildings. What's your favorite area to spend time at now as a student?
I think my favorite area to spend time at is probably just like one of the benches by the walkway to the CGUS building. Yeah. I think it's just pretty. I like birds, and they seem to like all of the bushes and the trees, so I kind of just sit there and watch the birds sometimes.
That's nice, just connecting back to nature.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about your experience in the business administration program so far.
It's been very good. I like the flexibility of scheduling because whenever I talk to an advisor, I know that some programs, like when you first start, it's just very base at the beginning, so it's like math, ELA, this. I've been able to have more flexibility, so I've been able to do my core classes, but also more electives and things that are more fun and interactive.
That keep you connected because it's what you came here to do.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's really cool. What has been your favorite class so far?
My favorite class has been Introduction to Peace Studies.
Okay, so tell me about it. What was so amazing about it?
I think it was a very interesting class because it kind of opened my eyes to more than just the idea of peace, because the class is actually about how can we reach inner peace and how can we collectively reach peace, like as a community of so many different people.
Yeah.
And I think that's reflective of life. Like we're a school full of people from all over the world, and how can we all coexist happily?
That's it's such an important piece. I love that Life University is the second most diverse school in Georgia, right? And we are in the very top, statewide, right? Or I'm sorry, within the United States, and it's really a great experience to come in here, and it doesn't matter what corner you look, you're just going to see us, all of us at the same time, and just coexisting. It's nice. I didn't know we had that opportunity to have a class on that, on just coexisting and relationship building and all of these pieces that are really important also for business, because you are going to work with everybody and anybody, hopefully, right, at some point. So tell me, what is your goal with your business administration degree?
I actually want to work for Google. That's what I hope to do. I'm going to try to pursue an internship there my junior year. But my goal is to work for Google. I'm not sure what route I want to take yet. I'm thinking maybe data analytics, but I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, that's okay. Keep your horizons open so that whatever calls to you, like Life University called to you, you can just step into it gracefully and lovingly. That's amazing. It's really cool that Google now is building a campus in Georgia. They're expanding here. They're just around the corner, which is cool because you are from here. And hey, if you want to go elsewhere, I commend you. Do whatever it is that you're called to. But why Google?
I think they have really good benefits. I've looked into like all the benefits that they offer, and I think they seem to be a company that humanizes their workers. You realize that like a lot of companies, they might pay you a good salary, but God forbid someone dies in your family and they don't want to give you time off. So I think there's a level of humanization they give to the people that they hire. And there's benefits that you wouldn't really think about, like if one of your relatives is sick, they give you time off and they pay you. A lot of companies don't think about that, but I feel like they kind of make you seem more like a family than just somebody who works for them and that they pay you.
That's amazing. That's good that you've already dived into this world, because a lot of people kind of start their jobs without really understanding and knowing what benefits are and how it should look like. So it's good that you're starting to kind of just ask those questions and bring those ideas into play, because a lot of people, and as a person that worked a few too many jobs before I got into my career and understood all of the importance of benefits of 401k and paid time off and mental health days and also sick days and all of these pieces, and also 401k match. Let's talk about that. But all of these pieces that truly allow you to continue building towards the future and be satisfied, because a worker that's satisfied is a worker that's going to perform.
Yeah, I
right?
agree.
So why not incentivize and treat them and, like you said, humanize them? I love that. That's really exciting. It's really exciting. Suneah, thank you so much for taking some time of your really busy schedule to be with us. Good luck on the rest of your career, whether it is data analytics or it is whatever it is that you're called to. I'm really excited for your future. I'm really excited to see you grow within the university. Thank you for being here. You're welcome. Have a beautiful day to you guys. And I will see you on the next episode of Living Life. I Life You. Bye.